All right, my friends, it is 7:33 on your Wednesday morning, and health isn't just about doctor visits. It's about access, education, and resources that strengthen an entire community. And that's the mission behind the upcoming Rural Community Health Fair happening September 27th at the Drew Wellness Center. It's being put on by the local nonprofit that we all love, Big Homie Lil Homie. The event is free and everyone is welcome. And joining us this morning to talk more about this community event is the man, the myth, the legend himself, Mr. Thaddeus Williams.
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing good. Okay, so for folks who may not be familiar with Big Homie Lil Homie, it's important that we lay the foundation so they know what organization is putting this on. So tell us just a little bit about the nonprofit.
So Big Homie Lil Homie is a nonprofit here in Columbia, South Carolina. We mentor boys ages 6 to 17 years old. We have about 200 boys in our program. So we do 365 mentoring. So our mentoring never stops, from school pop-ups to taking them on trips, exposing them to financial literacy, health education, all the things.
All the things, y'all. When I say this is such an incredible organization that's making a tangible impact on these young men's lives. Now, this rural health fair, I'm so excited about this because I think that it's so important that everyone in the community has access to good quality health care. And so talk about the vision behind this health fair.
Right. So we saw that there's a need in our community, that, there are a lot of people who do not have healthcare insurance or access to healthcare. So we wanted to bring that to the community. So we're going to have dental screens. We're going to have vital sign checks. So from blood pressure checks to diabetes screening. So we're going to have Prisma Health mobile clinic on site. Wow. So super excited about that. They're going to be helping us with that. We're going to have resources for financial literacy, for nutrition, how to eat better, how to be healthier. We're going to have resources for job readiness. So we're trying to address it in a whole way, not just health physically, but also mentally and also financially.
That is so important because we need to take care of ourselves, not just our bodies, but like you said, our mental health, our emotions, and our finances, because finances, we've done the studies, y'all, and we've talked about it, is one of the biggest stress factors for a lot of people, especially right now. So let me ask you this. Are the young men helping and putting this together?
So they are. They will be on site volunteering the day of. So I am big on community. So I've always tell them, we have to give back. As much as we pour into you guys, we want you to pour back into your community. So they will be on site serving as volunteers.
Oh, I'm so excited about that. That's going to be so good. And so for you, what is your biggest hope? What's your biggest takeaway that you want the community to have from this event?
I think the biggest takeaway I want the community to know is, one, we care. Two, there is help. You do have access to health care, and just be sure that we provide those resources for them.
Absolutely. And so for someone who may be on the fence about coming, I also want to lay this out there. There is no shame in going and getting these resources, because this is something that we all need. It's so important. So what's your encouragement for somebody who's like, I don't know, should I come? Should I not come? It's a judgment-free zone.
Yes, judgment-free. Please come. You'll be surprised at the different vendors we're going to have on site, to help. So please come. We're also going to be giving away 2 $500 prizes. So you may be that lucky person.
Right.
So we hope to see you Saturday from 12 to 3 at the Charles R. Drew Wellness Center.
Yes. Now let me ask you this as well. Can we speak to why it's so important for the community to show up for events like this? Even if you're like, hey, I'm good mentally, emotionally, physically, financially, it's still important to go there and show up and show support. So can you speak to the importance of having that community support?
Absolutely. So the community support is something that we need. We like to partner with our community. A lot of times you run into people who you didn't think would need something that you have to offer, or you may have a resource or connection that the community needs, and you can be there to be that plug, that person to supply that resource to the community. So I welcome the community as much as possible to join us in this inaugural event.
Absolutely. It's the first year, and we wanted to make it the best year and really set the standard for what this is going to look like moving forward. So I love that. I love that not only can you go and receive, but you also can pour into others. So It's a way for you to give back and support this incredible organization. We love Big Homie Lil Homie. Now, if folks want to learn more about the event, how can they find out that information?
Yes, they can go to our website at www.bighomililhomie.org and Big Homie Lil Homie on all social media platforms.
I love that. And one more question, because I know I have some parents listening in right now that are saying, I need to get my young man involved in Big Homie Lil Homie. How can they get involved?
Yes, so you're to visit our website again and submit an application, and we'll be in touch with you.
Oh my goodness, I love this so much. You can see that website right there on your screen. There's a mentee application, a mentor application as well, because we know that's critical. We need strong mentors as well, because I mean, 200 young men.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. So we absolutely need people to be involved in the organization. So again, it's going down on the 27th, an incredible community event. We're going to put this interview on our website, WLTX.com, so you can share it and tell your friends and family. We already got plans for the 27th. We're going to check this out.